we're going to explain how to use multi-threading in PHP applications. PHP, traditionally a single-threaded language, doesn't have built-in multi-threading in the same way as languages like Java or C#. However, we can achieve concurrent execution using several techniques. 1. Using PCNTL_fork. This function is a powerful tool for creating child processes, each running its own thread of execution. You can use it to split your task into smaller, independent chunks, then have each process work on a piece concurrently. The parent process can then wait for the child processes to complete, gather their results, and combine them. Keep in mind that PCNTL_fork is only available on Unix-like systems, Linux, macOS, etc. And it involves inter-process communication, IPC, which requires careful handling of shared resources to avoid race conditions and data corruption. 2. Employing asynchronous programming with libraries like React PHP or Swool. These frameworks allow you to build event-driven, non-blocking applications. Instead of waiting for long-running tasks to finish before moving on, your application handles events as they become available. This approach excels at handling many concurrent requests, significantly improving performance and responsiveness. React PHP and Swool provide asynchronous versions of common operations, making it possible to create highly efficient concurrent systems within the constraints of PHP's single-threaded nature. 3. Leveraging message queues, for example, RabbitMQ Redis. Message queues offer a more sophisticated approach to concurrency. You can have a central queue manager that distributes tasks to worker processes. These workers consume tasks from the queue, process them individually, and can then send their results back to the queue or a database. This creates a highly scalable and robust architecture suitable for handling large volumes of concurrent tasks. The benefit is that your main application doesn't need to actively manage all concurrent operations. 4. Utilizing parallel processing with tools like GNU. Parallel. This is a command line tool, not a PHP library, but it's helpful for running multiple PHP scripts concurrently. It's especially suitable when you have many independent tasks that can be executed in parallel, such as processing many files or generating reports. You'd typically use GNU Parallel from your shell scripting to manage the parallel execution of your PHP scripts. Remember that while these methods achieve concurrency, they don't strictly offer true multi-threading within a single PHP process. Choosing the right technique depends on the specific requirements of your application. The simplicity of PCNTL_fork for straightforward parallel tasks, the high performance of React PHP or Swool for I/O-bound operations, or the robustness and scalability of message queues for complex concurrent systems, or the straightforwardness of GNU Parallel for batch processing. Careful consideration of resource management, error handling, and inter-process communication is crucial for building reliable and efficient multi-threaded applications in PHP.